Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm just going to show you a little in-depth look at one of these BT Whole Home Premium Wi-Fi discs. So these ones that I have the old BT logo, they don't have the new updated one yet. So if we have a look at the discs, so the front of it has this sort of pattern around there. We've got the logo in the middle and it's got all this ventilation around here, which as you can see, these are second-hand ones, it does get dirty. But if you have a look around the sides, it's all got ventilation everywhere there. At the bottom we have this stand, which can be removed. So if you take that off, you see there's now no more stand, which is good if you want to wall mount it. So this is a big improvement over the mini whole home Wi-Fi and the regular whole home Wi-Fi, as those you cannot take the stands off. So if you want to wall mount them, it's just sort of going to be sitting away from the wall at the bottom. Yeah, that's quite easy to take in and out. So the side here, you've got the button to pair devices using WPS. You have your on and off button there. That's where your power goes in. Now these ones, again, another thing these have better than the other BT discs is these ones have two Ethernet ports, which is good, as you could say have this in a room with your Xbox or PlayStation and plug that into the disc, which may seem stupid, as obviously they get Wi-Fi, but what I find is, especially with my BT discs at home, you'll get a faster speed plugging a device into this than using it wireless, and that's just because of the way Wi-Fi goes. So ours at home, there's one in my bedroom of the regular whole home Wi-Fi. These are not at my house, and we have 500 megabits a second speeds. Now the one in my room is connected over Wi-Fi, and on your phone you get about 250, but this could be a limitation of Wi-Fi 5. Then if I plug a device into the Ethernet port, I get the full 500. I actually get over. So yeah, this is very nice. Or, say for example, this one here, which is the one that's actually plugged into the router, plug that in and you still have another spare Ethernet port, which means you're not losing them, because you can still use the ports on your actual router. You get 4 usually. So you plug one of these in and then you've only got 3 Ethernet ports. But this way you still have 4. Or if you want to hardwire these all in, so if you have a room somewhere that you run an Ethernet cable to, you could plug that into this to get the full speeds. And then the device that used to be connected to that Ethernet cable, you can still plug it in. Then here you have your factory reset bit. You put a pin in there. I usually use a pen on these. Then you have this little Wi-Fi card here, which pulls out. Now, I'm not bothered about showing this as I'll change it anyway. And then at the back, it says blue means good signal. So this one's of course going to have good signal because it's plugged in via Ethernet. And it shows you orange means that the signal's a bit poor. Purple means it's updating. Red means it's disconnected. And green means you're syncing a new disk to it. As you can see, it says that again, the Wi-Fi SSID, your serial number. And here is where you would wall mount it. So what they actually say to do is so your stand at the bottom you use to help you mount it on a wall. So you see there's a little hole there, you'd screw that into your wall and then you'd literally hook your disc onto it. So it's actually quite a nice addition. That the other disc you just have to put a screw in your wall and then hang it off of it. But yeah, that's actually quite a nice way of doing it, and it means that these will sit quite flat on the wall, which is actually really nice. It's nice that it's included like that. I'll have a video of me unboxing these and setting them up, and I also have a full walkthrough of the BT Whole Home Wi-Fi app with my other discs at home, which works exactly the same. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go check them out, and I hope you guys come back for the next ones. Bye.